Video được Việt hóa bởi Ngọc Tân từ group tài nguyên dựng phim. Nghiêm cấm các hành vi lít về rồi bán cho thằng khác. Mọi ý kiến đóng góp xin gửi về Facebook Quỳnh Ngọc Tân.
A lot of the time when you're doing video production, the audio from the camera isn't very good. So generally what you do is you get a separate mic that can be a little bit closer to the talent, maybe records a little bit higher quality, and you record on that too. So you have your camera recording as well as your separate audio recording of some kind. And the idea is that you need to mix them together in post so that you actually have good audio. Let's take a second and check out how this concept works. So when you record with a camera, it records some kind of audio, and it's usually too far away from the talent. It's usually a bad quality mic. You can sort of hear what's going on, but that's about it. Then you have your microphone, which is usually closer to your talent, and that records some good audio. And our job as somebody who is editing the project is to take the video from the camera and the audio from the microphone and mix them together so that they are in sync, which means they happen at the same time. There are a lot of different ways to do this, but one of the easiest ways is just to take this good audio and line it up perfectly with the audio from our camera. And then typically what you'll do is mute this on-camera audio so that you're just watching the video from the camera and listening to the good audio. You can do this process a variety of different ways. They also have systems where the camera and the microphone have a clock on them that sync together so that they're recording at the exact same time. Then it makes it easy to, in post, just take this audio and line up the time code from the good audio with the on-camera audio. It's basically the same process, but instead of trying to visually match the waveforms of the audio back and forth, it just uses the numbers from the clock. What we're going to be doing in this training, which is I think what people will do most of the time unless you have a really big fancy setup, which is just aligning the audio waveforms. We're going to get into that in the next lesson.
Video được Việt hóa bởi Ngọc Tân từ group tài nguyên dựng phim.